Boston Dynamics shows how bipedal Atlas robot flips, vaults, and falls over in its latest videos. I saw this video.
Is this the one?
So impressive.
Is this a story?
No, no.
I don't think we're going to get it unless it's the McDonald's story.
No. It's not the McDonald's, because the McDonald's you told me about when you got here.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, no, I told you about when you got here, and then you flipped out.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Let's finish this one, and then we'll get to the McDonald's one.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, these guys, we have to talk about it. You have to talk about it every time they put one of these out, because they just keep getting more and more fluid, and they just keep getting more and more human-like and intelligent with the pivots and the...
And it weighs just about an average human.
They got the weight down now?
180 pounds.
Wow.
And it's like a little over 5 feet tall.
180 pounds. It's almost exactly my size. Is it 6 feet too?
It's a little over 5 feet.
Oh, so it's a little thicker than I am.
Yeah, but you're taller, so
I'm a little taller. It's a little thicker.
Yeah.
Well, also I'm 5 pounds heavier. That is. Were they aiming? Was the target? It must have been. The target must have eventually been to make the average size person in robot form.
Sure, yeah. So maybe it's more relatable in a way.
Right. Face to face.
Not this crazy.
What are you saying, Will? What's the eventual plan here?
A butler.
I would love a butler. Or what about just moving stuff around, take the garbage out, stuff like that? That'd be amazing.
Amazon could use one of these.
Yeah, he looks great. This is amazing. No offense to Spot, but this is another level. Mm-hmm. The Spot the dog robot. This one here is
And there was another video of them kind of showing their failures as well.
Oh,
when the robots are doing
the blooper reel. That's not it though. Must be that one.
Yeah, this one. But yeah, like they're trying to mimic human interactions.
Oh, I kind of like that camera action. On this video, cool. Maybe even better. It's cool with the gimbal.
But you see them fall, you see them trip, you see them leak fluid, like and a human being injured or something.
Oh, that's lying down, dead.
It's very fascinating to see this kind of stuff.
You know what, Will? Let me say something here. It's so crazy to me. It's not crazy at all. It's not crazy is the wrong word, but it's something I was thinking about recently. Let's just say that.
Okay.
How as humans we get used to anything. Anything. They show us something, and we take a look at it, and at first we go, wow. And then the second time we go, eh. And the third time we go, yeah. It doesn't matter what it is. It does not matter what it is.
Yeah.
Boston Dynamics is showing...
Well, imagine being excited all the time. That wouldn't be...
But it's not really about being excited all the time. It's about...
Enthused?
No, I feel like it's a problem because not all wows are the same. Some have much further reaching implications. Some are way more substantial developments. Mm-hmm. But yet we still have a similar... Okay, here's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
This dude is jumping around here, but we've seen this dude jump around before.
You can call him a dude.
Can I? Is that fair?
His name.
Easy, Will.
Its name is Atlas.
Why are you trying to do all that right now?
Well, we're trying to humanize them. I'm just pointing that out.
That's not the point I was trying to make, though. I was just moving past it. It didn't matter.
Sure.
You could watch a clip where somebody makes a great play in sports. And wow, look at that. Then Boston Dynamics shows you that, and you go, wow, look at that. And you scroll to the next thing. Scroll to the next thing. They're not equivalent at all. Mm-hmm. One of them is an amazing thing that a human does, which maybe improves marginally over time, that humans get better at a particular task, but it's slow. It's slow progress. These guys been around for 5 minutes in the scope of human existence. And they put this out, and it's almost like we need an extra react to deal with it. That our typical WoW doesn't suffice because we can't even fully envision the WoW. We can't write the whole story. It's like beyond our capability to comprehend what it all means. Because this is what they're like now, Will. I want you to imagine 100 years.
Yeah.
Just imagine 100 years. Okay, maybe the dude is still making the fancy catch at the sporting event. Or maybe the fancy catch got 10% better. But this ain't going to be 10% better.
Yeah, this is highly scalable.
Our evolution is so slow comparative to this evolution. At least in the physical sense, in the mechanical and software sense. I don't know how intelligent they can get and how fast they can become more intelligent. But wow, that's so weird when he's carting it off there.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. At least for me, in order to apply the correct amount of WoW, or at least an amount of WoW that I would consider to be commensurate with what I'm seeing, I have to imagine the eventuality instead of just sticking with what I'm seeing today.
Yeah, you got to go to like the maximum level of what this could be.
Even at the pace that it's at right now, even at the pace that it's at since I started watching it or you started watching it, which is essentially the amount of time I've been on YouTube, roughly a decade or whatever it is. That's how long this has been going on. This is how far they've gotten. Everybody in your mind right now, take this and go 100 years, considering it's been 10 roughly that we've been seeing this. Go 100 and tell me what you see.
And congrats to Boston Dynamics for this achievement, I guess.
Well, they're doing. I mean, yeah. That ain't easy work.
Good job.